Testosterone, a naturally occurring hormone found in both men and women, plays a key role in many functions of the body. In men, testosterone is converted to DHT, an important androgen hormone. This conversion takes place with the help of an enzyme called 5-alpha reductase. This is a normal, essential process. After the conversion process is complete, the DHT circulates freely throughout the body and then binds to receptor sites in the prostate gland. This encourages the prostate to grow. This is a normal process that happens to all men as they age. The prostate grows naturally from birth to adulthood and continues through old age. At some point, many men look for a way to support healthy prostate function. Most prostate products on the market work by blocking the important 5-alpha reductase enzyme. While this is effective, it results in side effects, as it prevents this enzyme from performing other beneficial functions in the body. Equilibrium works differently. Rather than inhibiting the 5-alpha reductase enzyme, Equilibrium binds directly to DHT to prevent it from binding to receptor sites in the prostate. Equilibrium's unique DHT binding ability makes it the only known molecule that protects the prostate without triggering the side effects that can be caused by enzyme blocking products.